Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can actually subscribe to God Signals. So the first thing you want to do is actually go to your Play Store and install God Signals. So you can find this by searching God Signals or XAU USD. You can subscribe by either clicking on the signal, then select the subscribe button, or go to menu and select subscription, or you can actually go to profile and subscribe from there. So let's click on subscribe. So once you click on subscribe, you can actually see the different packages that are currently available for God Signals. So the cheapest is actually the 3 days one. This one is mostly for those who have less money and cannot afford the monthly, because apparently the monthly is the most consumed subscription duration. So we also have the 3 months and the lifetime. The lifetime goes for $70, which is just paid once. And then for first time users who come to the subscription page, you actually have a gift here that you can access, which gives you a discount. Instead of paying $20 for a month, you can actually pay $17.99. So to subscribe, simply hit the subscribe button and the billing processor will do the job for you. You can pay with your Visa or your Mastercard. Those with Mpesa can also do the same. Once you click on that button, it will give you the option to actually choose your Mpesa. So that's how you go about subscribing. Once you've subscribed, you're able to contact us immediately through the available communication channels that are going to be shown to you on purchase success.